Hello, this is Jeffrey Tiefertiller. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Service Management Leadership. And we ask that you look around at some of our other videos, provide feedback. We'd love to hear from you. So today's topic is implementing service design. And when you hear these steps, they're going to ring a bell because you've heard these steps used in other circumstances. So let's get started. The first is, what is our vision? What is our vision, scope, governance, budget, senior management commitment, and culture for implementing the service design? Because if we are going to implement new services through our service design, we need the buy-in from all of these. Second of all, where are we now? So we know if we haven't established a vision, the second one is, what is current state? What we need audits or assessments, maybe a SWOT analysis, SWOT, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Maybe we need to include our current state processes. What does our culture look like for having this change? And do we have competent people is one that's usually missed. And I don't mean that as a slight against many people, but we probably need to make sure that's included in the equation, don't you think? How about where do we want to be? If we have a vision and we say, where are we now? Then where do we want to be is the next step. Where do we want to be when we put in the service design? Where do we want our alignment to be with the business, our customer satisfaction, improvements in our SLAs, process performance? Where do we want to be? The next is, if we know where we want to be, how do we get there? We need an approach with a plan, with leadership buy-in to get there. And we all know that is straightforward but very difficult. Next is, how can we tell if we get there? You know, I have 2 kids and I hear, are we there yet? Are we there yet? So this is one, that next step is, how do we know when we get there? So you know through KPIs, key performance indicators, through SLAs, service availability, and lastly, customer satisfaction. In that, they'll let you know when you get there, don't you think? And lastly, how do we keep it going? Once we're there, how do we keep this momentum of this service design going? And most of it's building a culture of learning and continual service improvement to keep this momentum going of the service design. Because we want to provide these services to the business and make them high quality. This is Jeffrey Tiefertiller. Thank you for joining us on our YouTube channel. We ask that you like or share the video, subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Hope you have a great day. Bye.